The team, just for the sake of clarity so you can see what it looks like, I have connected my WSUS to the internet. I just put my virtual switch back to the external. And under synchronizations, I'm just going to go to synchronize now. Well, you'll see that failure. That's when we did this before, when we were not internet connected. But I'm going to click synchronization, and it's going to start that synchronization. But it's going to take quite a while to synchronize. Now you can see why I recommended that you don't run this in your own environment. This actually synchronized, and it downloaded 13,419 new updates. I started this at 1:22 p.m. and it finished synchronizing at 9:59 p.m. And I have a 75 meg connection, so it's an incredibly fast connection. It's just a lot of content for the initial synchronization. Now, if I were to go back and synchronize, say, once a day, it's only going to synchronize changes. So it's the very first time you do this that it just takes a long time. Now, I'm going to go to the options again, and we're going to look at the products and classifications. Now, you'll see how many products show up in this list. A long list of products. You'll see a lot of System Center components, things related to Azure, Windows 10, a lot of things related to Windows 10, server. So that is what that initial synchronization actually does. And it just takes hours and hours for it to actually run. Now, again, I don't recommend you necessarily do that because you can explore everything you need to explore in WSUS without actually having it, download for 8 hours and tens of gigs of data. But that's our full look at WSUS.